Hello everyone. Today I am going to deal 7th standard English, that is first chapter. So all of you please open your textbooks. The first lesson is a tiger in the house. This lesson is written by Ruskin Bond. Before starting this lesson, I am going to tell you something about this poet, that is Ruskin Bond. He is an Indian author of British descent. He was born in 1934. He was awarded a Satya Academy Award in 1992 and Padma Shri Award in 1999 for his contribution of children's literature. He now lives with his adopted family in Landover near Moscow. Okay. Now you understood this Ruskin Bond. Now I am going to start you the lesson. Here, look at this picture. How you are feeling that one policeman is taking two animals, he is carrying and he is standing. Okay, we will see what it is. Look at this picture. A forest guard is holding a pair of cheetah cubs in his hands. Okay, what this? He is a guard of the forest. He is catching two cheetah cubs. Cheetah cubs means the small kids of cheetah. Those are called as cheetah cubs. Poor things, they were abandoned by their mother. Okay, what is the meaning of abandoned? Abandoned means abandoned. The meaning is having been left. Having been left. Okay. Who has left these cheetahs cubs? The mother has left these cheetahs cubs. We don't know why the mother has left these both cubs. But what will this man do with them? Okay. This man has brought those cheetahs cubs. We don't know that what he is going to do with those two cubs. He will take them to his officer who will send them to a veterinary for a checkup. Okay, here what is the meaning of veterinary? Veterinary means a doctor who will check the animals. Okay, so that doctor is called as the veterinary doctor. The doctor will tell their age and the state of their health. That veterinary doctor will tell how much is the age of that cheetah and how is the health of that cheetah. Perhaps he will also tell them whether they are cheetahs or leopards, and even that veterinary doctor also will tell is it a cheetah or a leopard. There is a difference between cheetah and the leopard. Okay. Do you know that in olden days people trained cheetahs to hunt deer? Okay. In olden days, for example, your grandfather and all were there. No, at that time they used to train the cheetahs how to hunt the deer. But what will happen to these poor cubs now? Okay. Okay. This was just an introduction. Now I am going to start you the lesson. Timothy the tiger cub. Here is one Timothy. Timothy means it is the name of the tiger cub. Here. Timothy, this is the tiger cub. This is the main role in this chapter. Timothy the tiger cub was discovered by grandfather on hunting expedition in the Terayo jungle near Daira. Okay. The father of this author had gone for the hunting. At that time he brought this cub. That is, the name of this cub was Timothy. At first the tiger cub, who was named Timothy by grandmother, was brought up entirely on milk given to him in a feeding bottle by our cook Mahmoud. Okay. The name Timothy was named by the grandmother. Who brought this cub? This cub was brought from the grandfather and the name was given from the grandmother as Timothy. This Timothy was fed by the milk in the feeding bottle. You have been seeing that the small babies will be fed by the small bottles. Like that only, this cub also was fed the milk with the bottle. The cook was there. The name was Mahmoud. But the milk proved too rich for him and he was put on a diet. Okay, as this Timothy was feeding with the bottle, as you go on feeding, the Timothy became big. It was grown up. Okay, after growing, the diet was changed of that Timothy. They used to give now raw mutton and cod liver oil, to be followed later by a more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. Okay, what is the meaning of tempting here? Tempting. Tempting means attractive. Attractive. Okay. Tempting means attractive. Okay. Now the food of Timothy was changed. Okay. Come to the second para. Timothy was provided with two companions. Who are the two companions here? Companions means the friends. Okay. Friends of Timothy. Toto the monkey, who was bold enough to pull the young tiger by the tail and then climb up the curtains in Timothy, lost his temper, and a small mongrel puppy found on the road by grandfather. Okay, here are the two friends. Who are those? One is the Toto the monkey. Toto, it is a monkey here. And one more friend was mongrel puppy. Okay, puppy means it is the kid of the dog. Okay, and this mongrel puppy was brought from his grandfather. Okay, these two, Toto the monkey and the mongrel puppy, was the two friends of that Timothy. They used to play with that Timothy. Okay, now the next para. At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy and darted back with a spring if it came too near. Okay, before that, the Timothy was feeling very much afraid of that dog. Which dog it was? It was a mongrel puppy. What is the meaning of mongrel here? Mongrel means it is the different breed dog. Okay. When this dog used to come near the Timothy, at that time the Timothy used to move backside. That is, slowly it used to move. Okay. He would make absurd dashes at it with his large forepaws and then retreat to the ridiculously safe distance. Okay, what is the absurd dashes? Here, absurd dashes means it is the sudden or quickly it will jump. And what is the meaning of forepaws? Forepaws means forepaws. It is the front foot. Okay, it is the front foot or front feet of the animals. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. Okay. Okay, finally the puppy and the Timothy became the friends. Both together they used to play now. Before that the Timothy used to get afraid of this puppy. Now both became the friends, and they this puppy it used to do, it used to quarrel on the back of this Timothy. Okay. Now next para. One of Timothy's favorite amusements was to stalk anyone who would play with him, and so when I came to live with grandfather. Okay, here one more character has been introduced. Okay, here one small kid, a small boy will come to stay in the grandfather's house. Okay, first friend is Toto the monkey. The second friend is this mongrel puppy, the puppy, and now the third character is the small boy. He will come to stay in the grandfather's house. I became one of the tiger's favorite. Okay, this boy, when he will come and he will stay there, he will become one of the favorite of that Timothy's. With a crafty look in his glittering eyes and his body crouching, he would creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash for my feet. Okay, what is the meaning of crouching here? Crouching. Crouching means it is a leaning. Leaning means, have you seen any dog or anything? If they are very favorite to any human, it will show you the love and affection. Okay, by that time it will lean like this and it will move in front of you. Okay, that is called as the leaning. Okay, by leaning it will come to the boy. It will come closer and closer. Creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash for my feet, rolling over on his back and kicking with delight and pretending to bite my ankles. Okay, if any dog will show you the love, at that time it will start licking you, and it will show as if it is biting for you. It is not biting, it is showing love for you. Okay, like that only this Timothy also was doing for the boy. Next para. He was by this time the size of a full-grown retriever, and when I took him out for walks. Okay, as the time was going on, the Timothy was also grown up now. The Timothy was become very big. So, daily evening, that boy used to take that Timothy for the walking in the evening. People on the road would give us a wide breath. Okay, if we will take the dog, then it's okay. But this boy was taking the tiger outside. If, for example, now the tiger will come near you, what you will do? You will be sitting like that only? No, you will run, you will jump like anything, and you will, if the glass or anything is there, you will push it and you will run outside like that only. When this tiger will go outside for the walk, the people on the road were very afraid and they were moving side. They were moving very distance. For example, if the tiger is here, means they used to move very far away from the tiger. When he pulled hard on his chain, I had difficult to keeping up with him. Okay, the chain what that boy was catching, that it was feeling him very difficult to catch it because it was pulling it. Okay. Next class I will continue by this chapter. Thank you.